I'll guide you through how to make money online Honeygain app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to honeygain.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Get Paid to Share button. You'll then be asked to log in here. For example, I'm logging and using a Google account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Honeygain dashboard page. On this page, you can read the brief instructions provided, then click Download for Windows to install the app on your device. Once the app is downloaded, open it, read through the terms and conditions, and click Agree. After that, you'll see your Honeygain balance and a device overview. You also have the option to enable Jump Task, which is a feature that allows you to boost your earnings even more. Return to the dashboard to check your earning statistics and progress. Additionally, you can copy your referral link and share it with friends or family to increase your income. When your balance reaches $20, you'll be eligible to withdraw your earnings. That's all. Let the Honeygain app run quietly in the background, and you'll start earning passive income effortlessly.